Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about home defense. I think every household needs a home defense. It could be a knife or it could be a gun. But for me, myself, I choose to have a gun for my home defense. Because if you have a knife and someone breaks into your house, you have to be close to that person to protect yourself. But if you have a gun, you can be far away from that person and be with your family, and you can protect your family. And then also, what if the person that breaks into your house have a gun? What are you going to do? You're going to throw your knife at them? What happens if you miss? You'd be screwed. So that's why I choose a gun over a knife. And I choose this AR-15 to be exact. Because for me, I think if the US military use this gun to protect themselves, protect the country, that's a good enough reason for me to buy AR-15 and use it as my home defense. And plus, AR-15, each magazine holds 30 rounds. So you have 30 chances. 30 chances of protecting yourself against the bad guys. Or if you want, you can also get this drum magazine from PMag. It holds 60 rounds. So you have 60 chances of protecting your family and yourself against anybody. But if you can afford to buy a gun, an AR-15, buy yourself a pistol. But for me, I always carry a pistol. Anywhere I go, I have a pistol with me. I don't leave my house without my pistol. So I carry this every day. And this pistol right here, just make sure it's safe first. Okay, not in the chamber. Okay, magazine's out. This pistol right here is a Glock 43X. The magazine that comes with it holds 10 rounds. But what I did, I've got the Shure Arms S15 magazine, and it holds 15 rounds. So I got 15 rounds, 15 chances of protecting myself and my family. That's why I recommend every household to own a gun. And if you own a gun, make sure you go out there, you go to the range, you practice your gun. Get to know them. Get to know your gun, your weapon. Because if you own a gun and you never practice it, you never shoot it, what's the point of having it? Because if someone come in and you don't know how to use it, it's pointless. So that's why I want everyone, or I suggest everyone, to buy a gun. Go out there, buy a gun, and practice them for your home defense. Alright guys, so if you like this video, make sure you hit the like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.